What are my aspirations for Rangahau? Well, I would like to see us more as a Māori community investing more time and effort into these traditional Māori ways of research, of these traditional methods of coming to know our world, looking more broadly at traditional ways of knowing, traditional ways of being, looking more at the credibility of our dreams or the validity of using our matakite side. By all of us reliving and re-energising these traditional aspects of our culture, it adds to us in terms of the contribution that we're going to be making to the rest of the world in the very near future. I understand that there may be some criticism or there may be some of us within our own community who don't see the validity in these systems anymore. However, if we were to go outside of our own country, you'd see that a lot of non-Māori, a lot of Western people are now picking up all of these methodologies themselves and using them and creating credible research with them. And then it's funny that it's not until that happens that us ourselves then start to believe in it. So that's I guess my paramount aspiration for research, is that we invest more in our own traditional ways of knowing. Not throwing out, all of those traditional Western, postmodern approaches to research either, but I think taking a more balanced view of, all of the tools that we have.